Today I will discuss about cartoon video. Uh, Create uh, your cartoon, that best cartoon video. Creating your creating your any types of cartoon video does not have to require a ton of time, money, and advanced video editing skill. With the help of Photon online video editor, we can easily create cartoon videos in minutes. Photon is a free video. How to use? Why use cartoon video? Cartoon video keep the viewers attention, simplify complex topics, and is impressive to create high quality content. What size videos can I make? Yes, nice question. Using the Python template, you can create every standard size videos you can think for for social media and the presentation platform. Do I need to hire a video video cartoon using put in online video editor platform? You can create professional looking animated uh, video content without hiring a freelancer. Select an uh, cartoon template uh, just as easily cost customizable as any PowerPoint template. Cortana offer a large selection of ready to edit video template that are designed to fit any project. Whether you are looking to create amazing explainer videos of work to share compelling stores for personal reasons. Are you can also to build various various type of videos content to connect with your target audience of any of the following in industries. Is to edit the template. Have you chosen the perfect template? If the any answer is yes, then that's finally times to discover your inner David um, Copperfield and let some magic happen. Button videos tool uh, has a unique collection or rotary free music, free image, uh, con countless animation, customizable characters, and an unlimited selection of free stock videos and video footage. Can you use the edit your 2D animation videos? Hmm, so, what are you waiting for? Easily animated your employees, friends, or colleague. Simply drag and copy your animated assist and motion graphics, um, scrolls through or music library and add your favorite gem. Um, have you mentioned that we have got free background music for your video? Voila, with just a few clicks, put on um, uh, will bring every vision to life. Simplify scale. Um, Share your animated video. Congrats on creating your own videos. Okay, friends, I will discuss about how to make cartoon videos. I will share a next video how to use